Aggrieved students of Dhanamanjuri University, DMU, have vandalized the furniture of university in front of DMU administrative block today after authorities of the university attempted to conduct the examination forcibly in contrary to student desires. Speaking to media, class representative of Education Department of DMU, Laimayum Shelley, highlighted that the university administration initially attempted to find a compromise regarding the examination. However, in contrary to students' desires, they resorted to proceed the examination forcibly, citing that the examination of third semester examination has been on hold since December of the previous year and stressed the uncertainty and instability in the students' academic journey. She further asserted that the dean of the university was reportedly unaware of the examination, which the administration claimed that the authority convened an academic council meeting and resorted to conduct the examination. Highlighting prolonged postponement of the examination, she urged the university authorities to maintain uniformity in the examination process, asserting that discrepancies in examination modes, with some students appearing online and others offline, are unacceptable. Meanwhile, acts of vandalism have erupted, fueled by the absence of administration in the university when students attempted to visit university authorities at the administrative block.
DMU na mamangi exam gi notice thoklak kan dagi hona union gi mai kai dagi authority ga phaminara kanda exam gi mod amasung exam tawbagi system asa yanana ba negotiation tawnangai gi table hanjan na haizaraga lai adumak post adugumba satra gi wakat mayam do amata tabi dabida authority na apamba mawongda moina lepakpa mawongda exam se nampu sasanda tawshinabagi mawong ama urakpa adudugi su mathakta notice thokla aba matangda jo hanjan na yaningda ba asoiba tawbigano na haizaba kaya se na thaira kanda moina lepa warep na arebane haiba matagom nampu sasanda satra gi mathakta nampu sasan chathana bo na baje asigi mayoktani exam ase matam siga chana ba situation asiga chana ba mawongda chapmana ba mawongda displace amasung akoi hojik lairiba sida kara iba satra sing asigi chapmana ba mawongda exam se pangthok piyo aduga namjin duna thamlakla ba December 2023 da tawgada ba exam se hojupok tawbida ba se athuba matamda exam solution biduna akoi mathangi semester kara kanda chahi mangda ba sidagi akoi gi punchi se kanbiyo haidasin